Alright, so we know Excel's financial data type feature doesn't really support cryptocurrencies very well. So I thought I will share an alternative to import crypto data from the web in Excel. Now, to import crypto data from Excel, I'll be using this web service. It's called cryptoprice.cc. So basically, this service uses CoinGecko's API, and it's a creator basically wrap the API into a web service addresses so we can quickly import different crypto price and the market cap price into Excel. Alright, so let me show you how this web service works. Alright, so first in my Excel spreadsheet, I already have a list of crypto tickers listed in column C. Now in cell C1, I'm going to name this as endpoint. So unfortunately, currently there are only two properties that we can retrieve. One is the price, and the other one is the market price cap. Now to retrieve crypto's price, so here in the formula field, I'm going to insert the web service function. Then I'm going to grab the URL. Next, I'm going to insert the ampersand symbol, followed by a / string. Then I'm going to insert the ampersand symbol again. Now this time I'm going to select crypto's symbol and enter. And that will send the select crypto price. Now I can fill this formula all the way down. And I'll populate the cryptocurrency's price based on my symbols in column C. Now to return the market price cap, basically we can grab this formula right here that we created before. Except that this time we're going to concatenate one more property. So here I'm going to insert the ampersand symbol followed by a /. Then I'm going to type MCAP, enter. Alright, so I forgot the equal sign here. And I forgot to insert the closing double quotation. Now I can fill this formula all the way down to Shiba Inu. And that generates the market price cap in column C. Alright, so this is going to be episode I'm going to cover in this video. And hopefully you guys find this video useful. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.